Aloha, you can call me Craw. And on today's edition of Lego Sorting and Cataloging, we're going to be, as if I don't know the name of my own show on YouTube, um, we're going to do a piece of the day, and then we'll get to some more sorting and cataloging, this time with wedges and slopes. Today's Lego piece of the day is this one. And I'm sure you guys are all familiar with this, but just in case you're not, we're going to do a deep dive into this. This is Lego Hips and Legs Plane Part 970 C00. I know. This is actually 3 individual pieces in its own, which is interesting because when you look at how it's categorized, when they're together, hips and legs plane, that will go into the grouping of minifigure legs. But if you come out here and go into minifigure body part, you can find the individual parts. First being hips, which is piece 970. Left leg, 972. And right leg, 971. And you can see there's printed versions of it, of course. But you can see these 3 pieces together, the hip, the left, or the right, and the leg. These are the 3 pieces that make up the torso. Now, the thing that I found is very interesting is there are 53 different colors of hips available. So looking at all the different pieces, different colors, you can see that it's 53 of them. And if you look at the left leg, there's 56. And if you look at the right leg, there's also 56. Which means if you do the math, there are 166,208 possible combinations of hips, left leg, and right leg. And it's interesting because there was a color for the hips, and I don't know what I did with that. I made a spreadsheet where I calculated out, but there was a color for the hips that didn't exist in either of the legs, and then there were multiple colors of the legs that didn't exist in the and I think it was early. I think it was blue violet. There are 6 minifigures with blue violet hips. That is not a color available, and you can see them here in 2004. This chess set, which is kind of cool. King Siege Tower. Looks like it's all this King Siege stuff from 2004. This was like the only year. And here it is. Here's our guy, King Matthias. King Matthias with a cape. So, there you go. This is the only color that's not available in legs, but available in hips. And it's because of this dude right here, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the Lego piece of the day. Today we will continue sorting this bin. This bin started as pieces that I've cleaned using my shaker cups. And then I divided into 3 categories of bricks and slopes, plates and tiles, and other. And yesterday we went through and we took out all of the bricks. Now we just have slopes. So I've got my 2 boxes of wedges and slopes. Now we can catalog these. I don't really know what this piece is going to be. What's going to be a wedge or slope? Like, is it going to be similar to this piece, the cheese wedge? I just don't know yet. So we're kind of just putting things in piles and seeing what we have. So like these decorated ones, we're going to put there. Where's the more traditional ones? I'm going to go right here. This is a door frame, which I don't think goes with that. But we will find out. Ooh. We'll put that one with those ones. Again, I'm sure once I do this once and I understand what goes with what, it will go much quicker next time. This is more of a slope. And I fully expect for my terminology to change as I start like Googling these things and looking them up. Now a lot of these have stickers on them. I'll put you there. I think I'll leave the sticker on until I realize I would need the piece without the sticker. This was a category that I definitely made a lot of sacrifices with in my organization before. In terms of me saying, oh, we'll combine these two because they're close enough. So this is one I anticipate getting a lot of benefit out of. You and then you here. Let's start with this pile. It's interesting to see how many different versions of slopes there are. At least even in my own collection from this one pull. So let's start with this. This is a 3x2 slope. Slope 33, 3x2. So it's 3x2. Okay. Okay. This is going to be piece 3298. All right, let's copy that. Let's go to my OneNote. I use OneNote for a lot of things. So this is my cataloging page. Paste 3298. 002 for black, 4. I don't know the orange's number. Let's go get my color chart. Orange is 68. Alright. So we have line. It's going to be 051. There we go. Now I'm able to take this information, put it into a text file, and import that directly into my database. So it's a huge cost or time savings. Catalog, and that'll be done for today. I mean, there's still a lot more pieces to sort, but in terms of however much footage I'm filming today, because that's what I'm finding. I'm shooting so much unnecessary footage because I want this to be kind of train of thought, but editing it down has been becoming kind of painful.
I hope you enjoyed today's building, sorting, cataloging, yada, yada, yada. I thought doing it from a front cam was going to be a little easier, better for y'all, because I felt like the camera facing me, one, you have to look at this beautiful face the whole time, but two, I don't think you really got to see the pieces very well, and I think that kind of detracts from the video, but please provide some feedback if you can, because feedback is a gift. Mahalo for watching, friends.
So, yeah, you have made it to the end, so I think you should give yourself a little pat on the back.
My dad yaps so stupidly much. It's just a known fact about him.
Everything has been said. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.